Something unbelievable just happened in Texas. Not a rumor, not a leak, not a concept sketch or future promise. It already exists. Inside Gigafactory Texas, Tesla has quietly crossed a manufacturing line that most of the world still believes is impossible. And when Elon Musk finally acknowledged it, the reaction across the US auto industry was immediate silence, followed by panic, because the Tesla Model 2 is no longer just a cheap Tesla idea. It's being built in 4.5 seconds per unit. That's not a typo. 4.5 seconds. To understand why this is shocking, you need to forget everything you know about how cars are made. For more than 100 years, the global auto industry has followed the same basic rules. Large factories, long assembly lines, thousands of parts, human labor mixed with slow robotics. Even the most advanced plants in the world still measure vehicle production time in minutes, sometimes hours. Even Tesla's own Model 3, once considered revolutionary, takes far longer than a few seconds to complete a body cycle. But Model 2 is different. This isn't just a new car, it's a new manufacturing species, and it's happening right now in Texas. What Elon Musk revealed wasn't a flashy presentation or a polished stage demo. It came through subtle comments, factory walkthroughs, engineering hints, and one crucial statement that changed everything. The factory is the product. Most people didn't catch what that really meant, but the engineers did. So did the executives at Ford, GM, Toyota, and Volkswagen. Because Tesla didn't just redesign the car, they redesigned time itself inside manufacturing. The Tesla Model 2 is being built using a process so fast that traditional assembly lines can't even track it properly. Instead of moving cars slowly down a line, Tesla's new system builds major sections in parallel, snapping them together like industrial-scale Lego pieces. Front casting, rear casting, structural battery pack. 3 massive components, 1 rapid merge. No legacy automaker does this at scale. Most can't, because they retrapped in old systems built decades ago that physically cannot move this fast without collapsing under complexity. At Giga Texas, Tesla did the opposite. They removed complexity. They removed unnecessary parts. They removed wasted motion. They removed time. That's how you get to 4.5 seconds. And that number matters more than the car itself, because when you compress build time, everything changes. Costs collapse, margins explode, prices fall, and suddenly, a $25,000 electric car isn't just possible, it becomes profitable. That's the real shockwave, not the speed, the consequences. The Model 2 is designed for mass adoption, not luxury buyers. It's smaller, simpler, lighter, and radically optimized. Tesla engineers stripped it down to what people actually need. No excess, no pointless complexity. But don't mistake simple for cheap. This car is smart. The interior isn't filled with clutter. It's minimal, functional, intuitive. One central display, physical simplicity. Software doing the heavy lifting. Every design choice is tied to manufacturing speed. Every curve, angle, and material exists for a reason. Even the wiring harness, traditionally one of the most labor-intensive parts of a car, has been redesigned to reduce length, weight, and installation time. Less copper, fewer connectors, faster assembly. That alone saves minutes. Multiply that across millions of vehicles and you start to see why legacy automakers are nervous, because Tesla isn't just ahead, they're accelerating away. Inside Giga Texas, the Model 2 line doesn't look like a traditional car factory. It looks more like a data center mixed with a robotics lab. Robots don't just assist humans here. They dominate the process. Gigantic casting machines, some of the largest ever built, create single-piece front and rear structures that replace dozens of welded components. What used to require entire teams now happens in one controlled motion. The structural battery pack isn't added later. It is the structure that eliminates layers, fasteners, and steps, and then comes the merge. 3 massive sections align, lock, done, 4.5 seconds. That speed allows Tesla to do something no other automaker can currently achieve. Volume without compromise. While others struggle to scale EV production profitably, Tesla is preparing to flood the market. And not just the US, this is global. The Model 2 is designed to be built anywhere: Texas, Mexico, Europa, Asia, using the same hyper-efficient process. That's why Elon Musk keeps talking about unboxed manufacturing. It's not a buzzword, it's a warning, because once this system is fully deployed, traditional factories become liabilities, slow, expensive, rigid. Tesla's factories become living machines, self-optimizing, software-driven, relentlessly fast. And the Model 2 is the first car born entirely inside that philosophy. When news of the 4.5-second build time began circulating, industry analysts initially dismissed it. Too fast, unrealistic, marketing exaggeration. Then suppliers started talking. Then engineers quietly confirmed it. Then competitors stopped commenting because it's real, and it's already working. Think about what this means for pricing. If Tesla can build a car this fast, labor costs drop dramatically. Energy use per vehicle falls. Factory throughput skyrockets. That gives Tesla room to price aggressively without sacrificing profit. A truly affordable EV, no government subsidies required, no compromises on safety or tech. That's the part that's shocking the US. Because once consumers see a well-built, safe, software-rich electric car priced within reach of the average household, the internal combustion engine loses its last defense. And that moment is closer than most people think. The Model 2 isn't trying to be flashy, it's trying to be inevitable. Its design is